white chocolate raspberry blondies, salted caramel chocolate bites, mini eclairs, banana bread bites, mini coconut cream pies, key lime pie bites, Rice Krispies treat, mini cinnamon single churros, chocolate chip cookie dough bites, mochi ice cream balls, mini fruit tarts, lemon bites, Nutella stuffed mini pancakes, caramel popcorn, cake pops, raspberry cheesecake bites, peanut butter cups, fruit skewers with chocolate dip, mini donuts, Oreo truffles, brownie bites, macaroons, mini cheesecake bites, chocolate dipped raspberries, chocolate truffles,